WordPress has a really nice theme customizer where you can edit various parts of your site while viewing a live preview so you can see the effects of your changes in real time. To open the customizer, go to your WordPress dashboard and click Customize under the Appearance menu. What you get is this screen, a bunch of menus and options on the left and a preview of your site on the right. Anything you change on the left should be automatically reflected on the right. What you can actually do with the customizer depends largely on your individual theme. There are a few universal options here, but a lot of it is up to the developer of your theme, and many themes will add a ton of extra customization options. In this example, we're just using the default theme, so there aren't too many options. You can customize your site identity, which includes your logo, your site title, your tagline, and your site icon. Here you can customize the primary color. Next, you can add one or more navigation menus and display them in various locations on your site. Then we have widgets, which are basically little content blocks that you can add to your sidebar or a footer area or something like that. Where these actually show up depends on the widget areas offered by your theme. Most often, it'll be a sidebar. And finally, if you're a little more tech savvy and want to add some additional CSS to style your theme differently, you can do that here. By the way, make sure you click Publish when you're happy with your changes. Like I said, this is just the default theme, and it's a pretty minimal design, so it doesn't have a lot of options. Third-party themes tend to have a lot more stuff that you can customize, but I just wanted to make you aware of the customizer. You'll definitely want to take some time to explore it once you get your own theme installed.